Bat and Friends, Episode 69, Redbird's Hero. Redbird's tree was on the ground.
Poor Redbird,
said Cat.
his home is ruined,
said Bat.
We must help Redbird,
said Dog.
I wish I could help,
said Pig.
but that tree looks heavy.
Then Pig had an idea.
Don't worry, Redbird.
Said Pig.
Super Pig will help you.
Pig went over to a big tree.
This tree is strong.
Said Pig. Pig hung from a branch.
This branch is strong.
Said Pig.
Redbird can live in this tree.
Pig hung Redbird's feeder. He found a spot for Redbird's nest. Redbird flew happy circles around Pig.
you're Redbird's hero.
Said Bat.
I am.
Said Pig. And he took a bow.
Little Fox.